Well guys, it's been a while, but I'm back. Yeah, we're heading down the river. Just going to shoot down for a few hours for a bit of a Trevally session. I'll only be catch and release today. I've got my scales with me. We'll see how we can go. Been pretty busy lately, as you probably would have guessed, with lack of videos. But just been busy with work, personal stuff, and a few Jetski accessories as well. Been listing a few more parts on my website. Something I'm testing today is this new fuel tank. So it's an extra 20 litre fuel tank for the new 2019 and 2020 Yamahas. So I'll give that a go today and see how it goes. We're on the water. It's a little bit windier than I was expecting, but it'll be right if it just stays at this sort of level. Just about 5 to 10 knots southerly, I'd say. So nothing big, but we're not going out offshore, so we should be pretty sheltered. Yeah, as I was saying, I've been too busy to make videos. I have been doing a little bit of fishing, been on the jet ski here and there, but last weekend I was out on the boat. There was a girls fishing competition. Took my girlfriend, my mum and her friend out, so I wasn't allowed to fish at all, so that was a bit of a struggle for me, spending all day on the boat while everyone's fishing and I'm not allowed to touch a rod. But yeah, they did alright fishing wise. They had a really good run on the Gurnard actually. We struggled on Trevally, but we shot out over the bar and found a heap of Gurnard at about 10 metres deep. So we came home with a really good feed and plenty of panty snapper. So yeah, it wasn't a bad day. Yeah, as I was saying, just too busy to make videos. So it's a hell of a lot of work trying to run a Facebook page and Instagram and YouTube and trying to run my website and make all these new products that I'm making. Started making a lot of stuff with Sea-Doos as well. Realised that there's a lot of people out there on Fish Bros, so they're a pretty bloody good value ski. So yeah, there's a lot of people out there. So I thought I may as well start making accessories for you guys as well, because you seem to want them. So yeah, check out my website if you haven't seen them, but there's about 3 of them up there at the moment, and there should be some more coming in the future. But yeah, I think we'll shoot down the river, see if we can find some Trevally. I also forgot to make a video. I was just playing around with the side scan last time I was down here on the jet ski, catching Trevally, and there's some pretty cool results. But yeah, it's the side scan there, because I'm only fishing in really shallow water, so the side scan's quite a handy feature. Your traditional sonar is only wouldn't even be seeing a metre out wide of the ski, so yeah, side scan's the way to go in shallow water for sure. I could actually see the schools of fish, say 10 metres out to my left hand side, so I could cast out to them and hook up straight away. I was actually pretty impressed. I've never actually used it like that before, so I may have another play around with that and show you what I've been doing. Right, we are down where we want to be. Got the old Catch Liveys soft bait on the Stinger jig head. Do our thing and I need to change this bloody reel back over to left-handed. You gotta love that about spinning reels, how it's so easy to switch from right hand to left hand. Because even though I think it's a lot easier going left hand, a lot of people still seem to prefer right hand. So if someone else is using your rod, you can just switch it over. Reasonable amount of chop just in this section at the moment, because we've got quite a bit of current and the wind pushing against it. Well, the conditions are definitely less than ideal down here. tell you that for free. There's actually supposed to be a bit of a storm rolling in over the next few days, so it's another reason I wanted to get a quick fish in. Well, that'd be typical. Come down here to finally make you a video and can't catch any fish. Might try something a little bit different today. Got the new Beady-eye Kabura. They come in quite a small size. I think, yes, it's 21 grams. I'm just going to stick that in the rod holder and let that drag along behind me. I've actually got that on a bait runner reel. So what I can do is use the bait runner feature. I'll just set that in the rod holder, let it drag along behind the ski. Now I can keep actively fishing my soft bait at the same time. If I hear that reel go off, then I know I've either got a fish or I've snagged the bottom, which is quite possible. But we'll see what happens. So I think I can definitely see fish out on this side. Well, it's hard to say just exactly where they were, because we're drifting in a really strange direction. There we go, finally got one. And it's on film too. Knew they'd be here somewhere. Oh, I need to get this other rod out of the way. He's not a bad fish. Oh mate, this he'll be around the 1.8, 1.9 mark. Put him back. I think I've got a good one on here. Oh. Gone right up into the shallows. completely spinning the jet ski around. This feels like a good fish. Actually need to get my net ready. He's not even that big, he's just a good fighter. Oh no, that was silly. Oh, oh, what are you doing, Glenn? And the fish is gone. Well, there's a good lesson. Don't high stick your rod with a decent sized trevally on the end of it. That rod's actually caught me a lot of fish too. Got one. It's definitely a Trevally. First time I've caught a Trevally on something other than a soft bait. It's only a little guy, but the old Beady-eye Kabura. Maybe I should have been using that all along. Oh, where are you going? Get the net for this one. so I don't end up breaking another rod. Oh, you bugger. I'm not having a good day. Oh, on the bright side at least the fish are biting now, I guess. Oh, there we go. Got one. It's coming our way. Another nice little Trevally. Be getting close to the 2 kilo mark, still about that 1.8. Off he goes to live another day. Close. Oh, it's just another smaller one. Back you go, mates. Definitely seems that they're out there by that current line. And we're snagged now. Lucky. And another snag. Still got it. Right, so I think I'm going to call it a day. It's time, just gone 5 o'clock now. Start getting back. That was semi-successful. Got probably 6 or 7 Trevally in the end, I think. Have to be at least that. It was quite surprising catching them on that little Beady-eye Kabura. Never actually caught them on anything other than a soft bait. So. Goes to show you can catch them on other stuff. But yeah, going home with a broken rod today. Got my tail between my legs, but it's probably time I retired that rod. It actually had the tip broken off it probably at least a year ago, and I've just been using it. I just replaced the top eye with a proper eye, so it was proper eye for the rod, and yeah, I've just been using it since and haven't really noticed it. But it's caught, I can't even remember how many fish it's caught. So it's probably about time I retired it. And just a timely reminder not to high stick